Hello guys, welcome to the first video of this series. In this video, we will learn what is Office 365 and we'll also take a look on on-premises Exchange server. For the topics which we will be covering in this video, what is Office 365? We'll also do a comparison between Office 365 and on-premises Exchange environment, and we'll also talk about why an organization should move to Office 365. First, we will understand on-premises Exchange environment. I'll give you an example. Suppose we are opening an organization with four users, user A, user B, user C, and D. So, in order to create their account, we need their identification number, we need to store their mobile number, we need to store their contact information. In order to achieve this, first we need to install Active Directory on our servers. Active Directory acts as a database to store the contact information in our organization. After the installation of Active Directory, we need to install Exchange servers so that our users can communicate with each other via email or Teams. Soon after the installation of the Exchange servers, we need to create database, we need to create the mailboxes of our users, and then we can decide our users will use Outlook or OVA, and we can also enable the functionality of calendar so that they can make meetings and arrange meetings. After the installation of Active Directory and Exchange servers, we need internet. So for internet, we need to contact internet service providers so that we can have the functionality of internet in an environment. So after the internet connection, we need to install the firewalls in our environment so that our environment is safe from anti-malware and anti-phishing. And after the installation of Active Directory, Exchange servers, and firewall, the first step is to procure hardware. Laptops, desktops, all the resources needs to be procured. And after the procurement of hardware, we need to take care of software installation and operating system installation. And we also need to maintain patching or updating of the operating systems. So after the installation of Exchange servers, they need to run 24/7. And in order to achieve this task, we need to place these servers into air conditioned rooms. So we also need to take care about the air conditioned rooms. And we need to ensure that there is uninterrupted power supply. We need to ensure that there is minimal of downtime. Downtime means suppose we are running on-premise environment and at any point our Exchange server or Active Directory crashes. So in between our communication is stopped. And storage is also an important factor. Suppose as of now our organization is just of four users, but over the period of time these number of users will increase to hundreds or thousands. So in order to mitigate the need of all the users, we need to purchase storage accordingly so that our users can use our environment flawlessly. In the video till now, we have understood what is on-premises Exchange environment. But question arises here, what is Office 365? Guys, Office 365 is a cloud-based solution. It is a software as an application which is provided by Microsoft. We just need to pay and use Office 365. It is based on cloud. It's a cloud-based model. Our users can use all these applications which are listed in the logo. So for using these applications, administrator of Office 365 needs to create Office 365 tenant. I'll explain what is Office 365 tenant in the later videos, but as of now, we just need to understand that Office 365 tenant needs to be created. All these users needs to be created in Office 365 tenant. Administrator of Office 365 can create users. We can create n number of users into our environment. And after the creation of our accounts, we need to assign licenses to all our users so that they can use these applications accordingly. For example, if we assign Exchange Online Plan 1 and Plan 2 to user A and B, so user A and B can only access these applications over the web. And for example, if we assign E3 license to user C and D, these users can use these applications over the web and client as well. So Office 365 is a cloud-based model. It's a software as an application provided by Microsoft. We don't need to take care of software operating system, air conditioned rooms, downtime, storage, security. Microsoft does all these things for us. So we don't need to think about software installation, their patching, their upgradation, nothing. Microsoft will take care about these things. So topics we have covered in this video. First, on-premises Exchange environment. We have understood what is Office 365 and why an organization should move to Office 365. Thank you guys. In the next video, we will learn and I'll show you by practicals that how to set up Office 365 tenant and how to create users in Office 365 tenant.